Hello everyone. So hopefully you can hear me pretty well. I think I've tested this before. Um, so today I'm not going to play a game as such. I'm going to show you what I bought today. I bought, hopefully you can see that, uh, free memory cards for PlayStation 2. And I'm going to remove the data on all of them, but I'm going to also install free McBoot on one of them. But I wanted to just like go through the memory cards first, just to see what's on it. But I'm not gonna like play any games if there's any like saved data of a game that I have on there, because I don't have any games at hand right now, to be honest. And also, I just wanted to see what's on there. I think it's quite a cool idea. So I'm just taking off the stickers on them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in the menu here, and then I'm going to put the first memory card in. Oh, sorry about the flashing. Well, that's good. The memory card's not working. Oh, no, there we go. Fucking hell. Right, okay, let's have a look. Right, it stopped flashing there for a second. There we go. Hopefully that can stop now. Right, pressing A. Right, there's actually... Right, there's actually... I'm gonna have to censor that. There's a... That's iToy. That's definitely iToy. Yeah, that's iToy. I knew it would be iToy. So I'm going to delete that right now, because I personally would not want anything to be like on here. That's pretty bad. So I'm just going to delete that now because it's a picture of someone. I'm going to censor that in the video. And we're just going to go through the save file. So iToy, I've played iToy before. Great game. Used to play it all the time when I was younger, and I would have also have done what that kid had also have done. So I was looking just then. Wait, can I? Is there like a way to like delete, or do you have to delete like everything in one go, sort of thing? So iToy, man, this controller. There we go. It's like a new controller and everything. iToy is a game where you have like a webcam attached on the PlayStation, and then you sort of like play. Sorry about the flickering. If there's any flickering that's happening, I'm really sorry in advance. So you put a webcam on, and then it's like, okay, so here's the mini game, and the mini game could be something like clean a window or something like that, but you gotta wipe your hand in front of the screen and stuff like that. There's also like a fighting game. I used to really like the fighting game. Let's have a look when this save file was. So this was in 2020, so during the pandemic, I want to say. So yeah, that was during the pandemic. That was right at the very start, 2020, in the 5th. Yeah, so just gonna delete this. So goodbye data. What's the next game? So the next game is Tiger Woods. This one's from 2012. So it's like they got the PlayStation out during the pandemic, and it was like, okay, let's play the PlayStation again. And then they played it once, and it was like, okay, forget this. But I think I actually owned this Tiger Woods game. To be honest, I don't remember. I owned one of them. I think it might have been 2004 actually. So we'll delete that. Memory's gone. What's Spider-Man 2? And right, I've played Spider-Man 2. This is from 2000, man. Unless they like didn't format the date on the memory card or whatever on the PlayStation. I mean, that's crazy to think that this is from that time. But yeah, I played Spider-Man 1. I haven't played Spider-Man 2, so we'll get rid of that. I did download Spider-Man 2 with the intention of playing it, and I played it for about 2 seconds, and I just stopped. So another 2000. I haven't played Battle for Bikini Bottom. I've only played the movie, SpongeBob the movie. So I'll actually get rid of that. So kind of a shame that I haven't really got anything to say about some of these games. I played a FIFA game. I haven't played all of them. I don't think I played this one. So we'll just move on, because FIFA. And The Simpsons. Now I think this is just the one that's just called The Simpsons. This isn't The Simpsons Hit and Run, and I don't know if there's a Road Rage maybe. I don't know. I haven't played any of the Simpsons games, to be honest. So I'm gonna keep the configuration, and we'll move on to the next memory card. Hopefully that this is gonna be not a disaster of a video, because I want to get more games that I know. So this is a red memory card. Oh, and that one's worked straight away. So this one might be used for Oh, great. Right, so The Sims. It's not The Sims that I've played. No, I've played The Sims Busting Out. That's the only one I've played on the PlayStation. No, what? Why does it have to be like this? Like a game that I know, please. Can't get it together. Right. Oh, I like that though. That's the thing that I like about old like PlayStation games, where you can, it like changes the icon of the symbol, so like it's just a normal thing, but then when you try to delete it, it's just like it changes into like a thing. So yeah, let's delete it. I think there's like one, I think it's the Silent Hill 3 one, where I think Heather starts crying when you're about to delete it. Now, Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, I have played. It's a shame to like sort of delete this one, because I would have liked to admit, because I do still have San Andreas. I think it's just upstairs somewhere, but I just don't have it at hand. So, San Andreas, classic game. No Grand Theft Auto Vice City or 3 though. The thing is that this one would be nice to keep, to see how many cheat codes they've used, but I'll just get rid of it. So I'm going to keep this, and this memory card will probably get used for the actual, so it's a red one, it'll get used for the free McBoot at some point. Well, it's going to get used in this video. So I've got one last memory card here. This one went straight on as well. Oh, this has got a lot. Here we go. This is it. Okay, never mind. Right, so, you know, I thought that was like something else at first. So I'm guessing that's SmackDown Here Comes the Pain. Now, I haven't played... Look at that, it's a rude bloody trophy belt. That's of the time. So, I haven't actually played... I think, or maybe I have. I've played... I don't know which SmackDown games I played when I was younger. I played quite a lot of them, until at one point I was just like, I'm through with these games, I'm sick of them. But yeah, I don't remember if I played that one. Is this God of War? I think this is God of War next. Yep, God of War 1. So it's the first one. The first one I think is a lot better than the second one, but it's not really a game that I like to return to these days. Don't really have a reason for it not returning to it. It's just like when I've tried replaying it recently, I just wasn't really into the combat so much. So yeah, let's delete that. So Fight Night Round 2. I haven't played Fight Night Round 2. I've played Fight Night Round 3, and I do like Fight Night Round 3. I think it's a pretty fun game. It's something that Fight Night Round 4, at that point, like, I've tried playing it and I just don't like it as much as 3, and I don't know why. I think it's like the career mode. The career mode just wasn't as interesting to me. I don't know if 2's the same, where it's like an interesting career mode, but yeah. Oh, this is just the... I don't know what the difference between the first one that I just deleted and that one is. Godfather. I haven't played Godfather. I've only played Godfather 2. And I actually enjoyed that quite a lot. I've actually got quite fond memories of Godfather 2. But it's not a game that I've replayed since playing it the first time. And that would have been back in 2007, 2008, 2009, whenever it came out. It had an interesting mechanic though, where you started off as like a grunt, and then you had like a chain of command. And then when you went up, you got your own grunts. I used to love that, because then they would do the work for you a lot of the time. PGA. So this is an interesting one at the end here. So Scarface, yeah, Scarface. I haven't played Scarface, but I heard it's a pretty. I don't know if it's meant to be a pretty good game, or if it's meant to be like one of those infamously "it's so bad it's good" sort of games. But it's a game that I do want to play one day. I should really play it at some point. Would like to play it, so maybe it'll be one of those games that I can play. I'm gonna install free McBoot on the memory card, so and OPL. I do plan on getting you know, the memory card to play it because this is the slim PS2, so I do want to get like the memory card to SD card at some point, so then I can just play off there, because currently I'll just be playing off the USB stick, and that's just way too slow. It loads up the data too slow. So this is free DVD boot that I'm currently using, so please ignore the flickering, sorry. So to start off with, gonna, oh shit, I forgot to put the USB in. Hopefully this still works. Right, so my USB is here inside this little box thing here. Let's have a look. I can't open the box. I don't know, I put the USB back in the box for some reason. I don't know why. That's kind of a stupid thing to do. There we go. So there it is. It's the perfect size because I'm not going to keep this USB for any particular reason. My other USB here has all the games on it. So that one there, this is the free McBoot one. So I have done this before. Not free McBoot. I've done like a different way of doing it, where you just go into this sort of menu thing here. It's not really the best way of doing it, I think. Like launch ELF, I think it is. So I'm gonna do the installer. Do that. I've never actually done a free McBoot before, so we'll see how easy it is in real time, I guess. Don't know what's going on. Is my USB set up the wrong way? God damn it. What's going on? Maybe it didn't like the fact that I plugged in the USB while doing it, so I'm just gonna load it up again. So I've got the disc already in. So I'll just load straight into the disk. Yeah, maybe it didn't like the fact that I plugged in the USB while I was doing the thing. Or maybe it just doesn't like the USB. No, what's going on? We might not like the USB. Shit. Oh, God damn it. 1 second, let me just shut the USB. Okay, we're trying this again. I've put the software on a new USB, and we're just going to see how it goes now. So it's in this folder called new memory card. So I'm gonna click into it and then see what it does now. Straight away, so it's the USB. So don't use these cheap shitty USBs that you get for free. Yeah, put your shit on it, basically, from college back in the day. Yeah, great. Completely wiped it and everything just for this. There was nothing on it, so completely wiped nothing. Right, let's install it. Will be installed into memory card slot 1. Yep, that's right. We're gonna do normal. So if I wanted to like do this like another way, or like I don't know what I'm trying to say. If I wanted to move to Japan or something and then take it with me and then do it on thingy, I think I need to do cross regional, but I'm just going to do it with the PlayStation in front of me. It's going to do the install. This USB will be going straight in the bin, I think. So the thing is, to be fair, I've had this USB for at least 11 years, I think, and I've never used it for anything, ever. And I'm just thinking, oh, I need a USB real quick. Okay, I'll just use this one, sort of thing. And then you try it, and it's like, it doesn't work. So if I ever needed this USB for its intended purpose, then there's no way I would have trusted it, you know? Right, so I'm going to take, well, I'm not going to take the disc out, I'm just going to open the tray for now. And I'm going to click the button, and it should launch into Free McBoot, which it has. You know, I didn't know Free McBoot removed the menu thing as well, like the loading into the menu. So, because I've already got the, what's it called here? So this is Free McBoot. I'm gonna launch the ELF, and that'll send me into the same menu as before, the one that I used to get in with the, like with the disc, the DVD, but now I don't need to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this file onto the memory card itself, and then so I'm going to go to, I need to go back again, go to the first memory card, go to boot, and then inside boot I'm going to put the file in here. So I'm putting OPL in here, and it's the newest version of OPL, so it's 1.1.0, and what that means is I'll be able to use the memory card to load games onto it when I get it. I don't have it right now. I think that's it. I think I just go all the way back now, back, and then just reset the console. I've never actually done this next step before, so might be a little trial and error here, but yeah. So I think it's called, yeah, Free McBoot configurator. I'm gonna go into there, and I think it tells me, do you want to, yes, this is it here, do you want to use the button layout? So circle is the Japanese layout, and the X is the UK layout. I think it's this one, configure OSD system options, and then you go down to right, I have to go back, so that's not that one, and so change. Yeah, so not going to be using the HD loader in this sense because I can't use it on the slim PS2. So I'm just going to change that to, I'm going to erase it if I can. Oh, that's, I was pressing the wrong button. So erase, and then change this to OPL. And then clear that, change this to the memory card, go to boot, and then it's going to launch OPL there like that. Is that right? Because shouldn't it change to map to any? Yeah, so it doesn't matter what memory card slot that's in now. So if it's in memory card slot 2, it'll always be there, sort of thing. So do that, and then return, and then save to memory card and exit. I think that's it. Now hopefully we should have OPL in the menu now. Just going to go back. Yep, there it is, OPL, the one thing that we just made. So I'm going to go into it, and hopefully we should have our games in here already, but I think it just needs configuring first. So I'll just do a quick bit of configuring, settings, default menu. I'm gonna go into, wait, what? What does this actually mean? Don't know what that means. Right, that's right. So that's the block manager. Where's the to go into the USB mode? That's what I don't get. Game list. Okay. I'm in the newest version here. Does it not work with USB anymore? Is that a thing? Oh, come on. There must be a way. Oh, no. The thing is, like, maybe because this is the newest version or something, maybe they don't take into account USB anymore, but that'd be weird. That'd be really weird to me. They wouldn't take into account USB. Let me just check that real quick, 1 second. Hello, I'm back. So they've changed the name of it here. I think this used to be called USB here now, but they've changed the name to BDM start mode, and so I've just changed that to auto, and then when we go done, we can go into game list, and here's the games. So this is the list of games I've got on the USB that I use just to install the OPL and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, that's cool. So we can actually just start playing our games right from there. But as I said, I do want to get the memory card thing. It's, what's it called exactly? It's called MC2SIO. Memory, the memory card. You plug a memory stick into it, and then you just play your games from there. I don't know if that's like the best solution, but it's probably the best solution for the slim PS2 anyway. Like if I had a fat PS2, I would just do the hard drive. But yeah, that's it. So you can see here a lot of a lot of rail shooting games, and that one's American only. But yeah, happy to finally do free McBoot, because I didn't do it on my. So this is my actual original memory card here, from when I have done this in the past. What I did was I did the alternative method where you load like I don't know exactly what it is because I did it a while ago, but you load like a file onto the memory card, and I believe it's a lot smaller in size than free McBoot, and that's the reason why I did it. I have a lot of data on this memory card that I didn't want to lose, so I just never did free McBoot. But I saw these memory cards today and decided, well, I wanted to do them. I wanted to do free McBoot. I don't need to do it on all of them, but I could do it on all of them. But I'm not going to. I like to have a lot of memory cards, to be honest, and I've got this third-party one here that's like, what is this? 64 MB. It doesn't work on a lot of games, so don't buy third-party memory cards. I think buy the official ones. Like it has to say Magic Gate on it for it to be official. So the ones that I got today, there was a few third-party ones there. I avoided all of them and just got the Magic Gate ones. So yeah, that's that. So this USB will be be destroyed, and yeah, I'm hoping to do more PS2 videos at some point. I think I just need a capture card, but I just haven't got one yet. The reason why I'm playing on the CRT right here, that's because I play with the light gun sometimes, and the CRT is the best way to play it, and honestly the games just look better, like, to me. So yeah, but yeah, at some point I'm gonna get the memory card and then play games that way, and you don't have to worry about region locking and all that sort of stuff. Just play on off the memory card. So yeah, that's this video, I guess. Little trip down memory lane for some people, for the memory cards at least, and then the rest of it was me trying to troubleshoot my bloody USB being crap. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.